Hi guys, today we talk about Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Its launch on May 2024. The dimensions of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra: fold and unfold, height 6.5 inch and fold 3.48 inch, the width 2.91 inch, the thickness 7 mm and the fold 15.1 mm, and the weight of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra 184 grams, and the build plastic front, black glass and aluminium frame, and stainless steel hinges. The display of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, it comes with foldable LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.9 inch and the fold 3.6 inch, and the screen to body ratio is 85.1%. The resolution for fold and unfold is 1080p, and the refresh rate unfold 165 Hz and the fold 144 Hz, and it comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness. And the screen production of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, it comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Let's talk about the platform. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4. And the GPU, it comes with Adreno 750. The memory of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, it comes with 12 gigs and 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card port, no nano memory card port. The camera of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide. The front camera is 50 megapixel and the rear camera video record is 8K 30 fps. The battery backup of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, it comes with 4000 mAh battery with 45 watt wide fast charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging, no reverse charging port in this mobile. The commons and the features, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C, stereo speaker, fingerprint side-mounted, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP54 dust and water resistant. And the price of Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is $799.